Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best battle ropes that are available on the market for their true quality. As always, you can find the product links in the description below. Whether you're looking to enhance your home gym or take your fitness to the next level, we've got you covered. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Power Guidance Battle Rope. This rope is designed with durability in mind, thanks to its double-layer nylon protective sleeve that guards against wear and tear. Constructed with 100% polyester, this rope is heavier and more robust than typical Poly-Pro and Poly-DAC blends, ensuring long-lasting use even during intense workouts. The 7.5-inch heat shrink handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, reducing the likelihood of slippage and protecting your hands during extended training sessions. In terms of performance, the Power Guidance Rope excels in versatility. With lengths ranging from 30 to 50 feet and a 1.5-inch thickness, it caters to both beginners and advanced fitness enthusiasts. The included anchor strap kit makes setup a breeze, allowing you to focus more on your workout and less on preparation. However, the higher weight of this rope may not be ideal for those looking for portability. Despite this, its heavy-duty design makes it perfect for home gyms and outdoor training sessions. While this rope delivers on durability and functionality, its price point is notably higher than others on this list. It's a fantastic choice for those who prioritize longevity and advanced features, but budget-conscious buyers may want to explore other options. Pros include its robust build, excellent grip, and included anchor kit, while the cons are its higher price and heavier weight. Coming in at number 4, we have the Parantal Battle Rope with wear-resistant nylon protective sleeve. This rope is designed to withstand the test of time, featuring an upgraded durable protection sleeve that minimizes wear and tear. The 1.5-inch diameter and available lengths of 30, 40, and 50 feet allow users to select the perfect intensity for their workouts. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, this rope adapts to your fitness level seamlessly. The 8.66-inch heat shrink handles are a standout feature, offering a non-slip grip that stays secure even during sweaty sessions. The rope's versatility shines through with its ability to support a wide range of exercises, from double waves to jump squat combos. It's a great tool for building strength, endurance, and coordination. However, the rope's weight and size may make it less portable compared to other options, which could be a drawback for users who need something more compact. Overall, this rope is an excellent choice for users looking for a durable and highly effective workout tool. The included anchor strap kit adds value, making it easy to set up in a home gym or outdoor space. Its main pros are the wear-resistant sleeve, versatile exercise potential, and user-friendly design. On the downside, portability may be an issue for those who need to frequently move their equipment. At number 3, we have the Parantal Poly Battle Rope with cloth sleeve. This rope balances performance and affordability, making it a popular choice for fitness enthusiasts. The rope features a protective cloth sleeve that reduces friction and fraying, ensuring long-term durability. Available in 3 lengths, 30, 40, and 50 feet, and 3 diameters, this rope accommodates various fitness levels and workout intensities. One of the standout features is its 8.66-inch heat shrink handles, designed for a secure and comfortable grip. The material composition of polydacron and nylon adds durability, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This rope is ideal for exercises like grappler throws, plank waves, and burpee slams, allowing you to target multiple muscle groups and improve overall conditioning. However, the cloth sleeve may not be as heavy-duty as other protective layers, which could impact its lifespan during high-intensity use. This rope is a great mid-range option for users who want a reliable and versatile tool without breaking the bank. Its pros include a customizable design, comfortable handles, and excellent exercise versatility. The cons are its potentially less durable protective sleeve and the slightly higher weight, which may affect portability. At number 2, we have the Vids Battle Rope, the most budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $34.70, This rope is perfect for those looking to get started with battle rope training without a significant investment. Made from a durable polyester blend, it features a high tensile strength that resists fraying and breaking. The heat-shrink ends enhance grip and make it easy to handle during intense workouts. One of the highlights of this rope is its portability. The flexible design allows it to be rolled up for compact storage, making it ideal for users with limited space. It's available in multiple sizes, including 30, 40, and 50 feet, and 2 diameters, making it suitable for a wide range of exercises and fitness levels. However, the absence of a protective sleeve might lead to wear over time, especially with heavy use on rough surfaces. This rope is an excellent entry-level choice for beginners and budget-conscious buyers. It offers excellent value for its price, with pros like affordability, compact storage, and ease of use. The main con is its lack of advanced durability features, which might make it less suitable for long-term or heavy-duty use. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Amazon Basics Battle Rope. Priced at $34.74, this rope offers premium features at an unbeatable value. Made with 100% polydacron material, it boasts a durable 3-strand twisted design and a 600D Oxford waterproof sleeve to protect against wear and tear. The heat-shrink end caps further enhance longevity, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. What sets this rope apart is its attention to detail. The orange and yellow tracking line improves visibility, ensuring safe and effective workouts. At 30 feet in length and 1.5 inches in diameter, it's perfect for a variety of exercises, from strength training to cardio. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle, and the wear-resistant material ensures it can withstand rigorous use. With a 4.7-star rating from over 8,600 reviews, this rope is a crowd favorite for good reason. In summary, the Amazon Basics Battle Rope combines durability, performance, and user-friendly features, making it our top pick. Its pros include its robust construction, protective sleeve, and excellent grip. The only notable con is its shorter length, which may not be ideal for advanced users looking for longer ropes. Overall, it's a fantastic all-around option for both beginners and experienced fitness enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.